The Hornbill Festival is a famous tribal festival. It is celebrated in which of the following northeastern states of India? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Nagaland. D. Mizoram. Correct answer is Nagaland. Hornbill Festival is celebrated every year between December 1st to 10th in Nagaland. This festival showcases the rich cultural heritage and tradition of the Nagas on one platform at Naga Heritage Village Kisma under Kohima district. All the tribes of Nagaland take part in this festival. The festival is named after Hornbill, the globally respected bird, and which is displayed in folklore in most of the state's tribes. In which of the following states is the festival Chapchar Kut celebrated? A. Meghalaya. B. Sikkim. C. Mizoram. D. Nagaland. Correct answer is Mizoram. Chapchar Kut is a festival of Mizoram celebrated after completion of Jhum operation. The next Kumbh Mela at Ujjain will be held in which year? A. 2028. B. 2030. C. 2022. D. 2025. Correct answer is 2028. Kumbh Mela is a Hindu pilgrimage of faith in which Hindus and people from all over the world gather at a place to bathe in a sacred river. The next Kumbh Mela will be held in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh in 2028. Purna Kumbh Mela is held once in how many years? A. In every 8 years. B. In every 12 years. C. In every 4 years. D. In every 6 years. Correct answer is in every 12 years. Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hinduism. It is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years at 4 river bank pilgrimage sites: Allahabad, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik and Ujjain. Where is the Red Panda Winter Carnival celebrated? A. Rajasthan. B. Nagaland. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is Sikkim. Red Panda Winter Carnival is celebrated in Sikkim. Red panda is only living member of Ailurus fulgens. IUCN places red panda in the category of endangered species. Its main food is bamboo leaves. It is state animal of Sikkim. Hornbill Mela is the only fair in India where barter system is still used. In which state does it take place? A. Nagaland. B. Tripura. C. Manipur. D. Assam. Correct answer is Assam. Hornbill Mela usually takes place a few days after Magh Bihu. It is celebrated at Dayang Belguri in Morigao district in Assam. A cluster of tribes celebrates this from centuries. It is the only fair in India where barter system is still used. Hornbill Mela organized by Tiwa community. Kendali Fair is celebrated in A. Uttar Pradesh. B. West Bengal. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is West Bengal. Kendali Mela is one of those traditional celebrations that celebrates the unique musical art of Baul community, a group of mystic minstrels in Bengal. This fair is organized in Kendali city of Birbhum district, the native land of Bauls. The Mela begins with Makar Sankranti on 14th January and ends on 16th January. On the last day of Posha month of Hindu calendar, large number of pilgrims assemble in Kendali to have a dip at the Sagar Island beach on the estuary of Bhagirathi river. Which of the following festivals is associated with harvest? A. Pongal. B. Easter. C. Guru Purnima. D. Eid ul Fitr. Correct answer is Pongal. Pongal is a 4-day-long harvest festival in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. Pongal festival, Bhogi Pongal, starts last day of Margaji month in Tamil calendar. On the same day, Koch Pandiga, Bogi Pandiga, is also observed. Bogi Pandiga is like a harvest festival called Lohri celebrated in the state of Punjab in northern India. The most important one-day Pongal that is called Thai Pongal, Sun Pongal, Surya Pongal, and celebrated like Makar Sankranti celebration in northern India. In which state of India is the Pushkar Mela held in? A. Gujarat. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Pushkar Mela is one of the country's largest livestock fair and cultural gathering. It is held in Pushkar town of Rajasthan. Pushkar Mela is held in Pushkar. Which district does it come under? A. Bikaner. B. Kota. C. Amer. D. Ajmer. Correct answer is Ajmer. Pushkar fair is held in Pushkar, Ajmer. The main objective behind it is to attract the cattle merchants and to strengthen their trade. The only temple of Lord Brahma is located in Pushkar. This fair is one of the world's largest camel, horse and cattle fair. Which of the following union territories celebrates Tarpa festival? A. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. B. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. C. Lakshadweep. D. Ladakh. Correct answer is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Tarpa festival derives its name from the famous and extremely popular folk dance of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, the Tarpa dance. Tarpa dance is particularly famous amidst Warli, Kokna and Koli tribes of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. It is famous for the existence of various tribes with different, amazing culture and traditions. Which of the following is the famous festival game of Kerala? A. Jujutsu. B. Weightlifting. C. Boat race. D. Swimming. Correct answer is boat race. Vallam Kali or boat race is a traditional boat race in Kerala, India. It is a form of canoe racing and uses paddled war canoes. It is mainly conducted during the season of the harvest festival Onam in spring. Vallam Kali includes races of many kinds of paddled long boats and snake boats. Onam is one of the most important festival of A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is Kerala. Onam is a Hindu festival celebrated in South Indian state, Kerala. It is a harvest festival celebrated by Malayali whose date is based on the Panchangam. Onam celebration includes Vallam Kali, boat races, tiger dance, flower rangoli, tug of war, etc. In which of these cities of India the famous Elephant Festival is celebrated every year on the day of Holi? A. Ajmer. B. Jodhpur. C. Jaisalmer. D. Jaipur. Correct answer is Jaipur. Elephant Festival is popularly celebrated among large masses in Jaipur city of Rajasthan. Most probably, it is celebrated on the day of Holi. World Elephant Day was launched in 2012 to bring attention to the urgent plight of Asian and African elephant. The Sangi festival is celebrated in which of the following states of India? A. Manipur. B. Nagaland. C. Mizoram. D. Tripura. Correct answer is Manipur. Sangi Festival is an annual calendar mega event of the government of Manipur spearheaded by Tourism Department that seeks showcase and promote the finest of Manipur's arts and culture, adventure, sports, indigenous cuisines, handloom and handicrafts, fine arts, various other niche products to a regional, national and global audience.